Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, I was showed the music player or multimedia player application or module in our Qt car HMI application or Qt QML application. In this video, I will show you the menu application, menu module in our Qt car HMI application. Let me run this application. So the multiple menu are in is there in our car HMI application, where you can see the multiple options like Bluetooth options and Wi-Fi connection, Android Auto, and also some cars support the play the video on the YouTube, and also support the display the back rear camera in our application. So this is a simple I designed the simple screen where I display the multiple icons of the each functionality. You can also add the swipe view control for each. For that, here I add the just simple basic controls, or you can consider that as an image where I just display these simple and create a simple menu or a simple menu functionality here. So this is a simple basic menu screen where you can add your car HMI application, or uh, make a very interactive or very user friendly UI design for your user. So where he can easily interact with some car HMI functionality, like you can see here. uh, so you can, this is a basic simple where I add in our car HMI application. You can also add the some other functionality like display the live view, like your live application status like Android Auto and any other things. Okay, so this is the simple things I can display. Okay, so or also you can connect this application with your third party API, or also any other things. So please drop your comment if you have any questions about this window, and please like this video and share this video to your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.